In this video, I'm going to show you how to put in Janome's version of a built-in walking foot. This is called the Acufeed Flex System. It consists of a foot holder and a foot plate. So let's get to it. All right, so I've already taken off my foot holder. This happens to be my favorite piecing foot, the Clear View Foot and Guide set. So this is often called the snap-on shank or the foot holder. And one of the tricks for putting the Acufeed Flex System on is this part of the foot is thicker than this part of the foot. It's quite a bit thicker. So you're going to want to unscrew that screw out quite a ways. That will help you get it on. You don't have to get it all the way out, but once it starts getting wiggly in the hole, that's probably about it. I'm going to bring it around the side here, and it wraps around the front. I'm going to tighten it with my fingers and then with my screwdriver. Righty-tighty. And I'm not done until I connect this foot into the drive system of the machine. So right now you can see these little upper feed dogs are up way high in the air. They can only go that high up in the air if we don't have it connected to the drive system on the machine. So I'm going to bring my finger around the back side of the foot, and that little silver hook that I showed you before just pushes right up into the machine. And I just need to push it up and it snaps right in and we're ready to go. And once I've pushed that up into the machine, you see that the feed dogs go down. So I'm going to start with my thread tail off to the side. That allows the foot to pinch it against the feed dogs. Keeps that tail from going down into your bobbin case area. And you can see those upper feed dogs moving. There's also a knob in the machine that allows you to adjust the feed rate so that you can get it synchronized with the lower feed dogs. You can also use it just a tiny bit to ease some fabric in. That's not really its purpose, but it does work nicely. I'm just stitching a grid for a future video for free motion, and I absolutely adore this Acufeed Flex foot. I can also put the little walking foot guide bar on here if I was doing rows of straight stitch quilting. Put it right here, put my previous line of stitching underneath, and have nice parallel lines of stitching. Janome also sells these in a two-piece set with a longer bar, and there's one for the right side and the left side. With the Acufeed Flex system, you can change the direction of your sewing to reverse, and those feed dogs reverse with it. That means you could use some of your decorative stitches with it in certain cases. And you can also go really fast. And as I cross these rows of stitching, there's no fabric in front of the foot getting pushed ahead or causing any tucks or rippling. And it's a brilliant system. There's no wires to plug in. There's not a lot of bulk around the foot. And when you're not using it, you can take it completely off. And I'll see you in the next video. You can